St. Mark's. As you can see right now, it's gotten really bad. We've got looting going on right here in our town.
Yes, we're doing it.
I'm telling you right now, we need to build the wall. The Puerto Ricans are coming in. Right here. Excuse me, Mr. Brown fella. What do you have to say, Mr. Brown man?
It's ours now.
It's theirs now.
Don't kill them,
I'm over here, cameraman. Please, folks, please. Send FEMA. We're running low on wine, beer, and marijuana. Folks, we don't know how we're going to survive.
Hey, don't forget about the cocaine. Don't go through that, please.
This is Johnny Bravo reporting live from St. Mark's on theft.
They should not have gone through that. They should not have gone through that. What did I say? What are your thoughts on this situation, ma'am?
I think we should be in bed.
Fucking.
I think this is exactly why we don't give a Puerto Rican a driver's license, right here.
Oh, fuck. Now we got it.
Stop. So someone told him to?
No.
I didn't.
No. No, because